How to convert your Pinterest account to a business account. To get a business account on Pinterest, follow these step-by-step instructions. Number 1. Sign up or convert. If you are new to Pinterest, go to Pinterest and sign up for an account. If you already have a personal Pinterest account, you can convert it into a business account. To convert, log into your personal account. Click on the three dots in the top right corner and select Switch to Business Account. Number 2. Complete profile information. Whether you are signing up for a new account or converting an existing one, make sure to complete your profile information. This includes your business name, website, and a brief description of your business. Number 3. Verify your website. Optional but recommended. Pinterest offers the option to verify your website, which gives you access to additional features like Pinterest Analytics. To verify your website, go to your profile settings, click on Claim, and follow the instructions to verify your website. Number 4. Enable Rich Pins. Rich Pins provide additional information on pins from your website, such as product details, recipe ingredients, or article information. To enable Rich Pins, you will need to add metadata to your website and apply for Rich Pins through Pinterest developer site. Number 5. Create boards. Boards are where you will save and organize your pins. Create boards that are relevant to your business and target audience. For example, if you are a fashion retailer, you might create boards for different clothing categories or fashion trends. Number 6. Start planning. Begin adding pins to your boards. You can pin images and videos from your own website or other websites on the internet. Make sure your pins are visually appealing and relevant to your audience. And before we proceed, kindly share your thoughts regarding your plan about Pinterest. And also, please do share, like, and subscribe to our channel. Number 7. Optimize your pins. When adding pins, optimize them by including keyword-rich descriptions and relevant hashtags. This will help your pins get discovered by users searching for related content. Number 8. Engage with the Pinterest community. Pinterest is a social platform, so engage with other users by repinning, liking, and commenting on their content. This can help increase your visibility and attract followers to your account. Number 9. Promote your pins optional. Pinterest offers advertising options to promote your pins and reach a larger audience. You can create promoted pins campaigns to target specific demographics, interests, and keywords. Number 10. Monitor analytics. Keep track of your Pinterest analytics to see how your pins are performing. The data can help you understand your audience better and refine your Pinterest strategy over time. By following these steps, you can successfully set up and optimize a business account on Pinterest to promote your brand and engage with your target audience. In the grand symphony of life, every note counts, and your presence here has added a beautiful melody to our collective experience. As we draw this chapter to a close, let us embrace the words of Maya Angelou. Try to be a rainbow in someone's cloud. Each of you has the power to spread light, hope, and kindness wherever you go. Let us continue to shine brightly and uplift one another, knowing that together we can create a world filled with love and compassion. Until we meet again, may your days be filled with joy, your hearts with gratitude, and your spirits with endless possibilities. Thank you, and may your journey ahead be blessed with abundant blessings and remarkable adventures.